Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Shanti Ghosh videos. In this video, you'll get complete details about how to subscribe or connect successfully in first attempt itself. You will get the full details about the card payment step-by-step process, some of the checkpoints, precautions to be taken, and you will get indication about the processor and bank fee which you have to pay in addition to the subscription amount. My dear friend, the first thing, once you log in to OES, you will find my wallet balance. So if you are a founder, please check that your my wallet balance is showing 107 coin or 107 US dollar. Okay, this is the first checkpoint. As a founder you should do it, and if it is showing 107, then you have successfully migrated to OES as a founder. And if it is showing only 10 coin, then you have migrated as a normal users. Okay, so in that case you can go to that OES profile, you can delete that profile, you can log in to ofounders.net, navigate to OES and do the necessary things so that you will migrate successfully as a founder. Okay. Now my dear friend, whatever the $50 bonus, whatever it was explained by our in the updates, okay, that is all incorporated. Okay, so if you press the marketplace, you will find that O Connect, it will show 200 OCoin. Previously it was 250 OCoin, now it is 200 OCoin. Okay, and for 90 days quarterly amount, and you will find the button get it now. So if you press that button get it now, you will find the O Connect full details, 3 months 10,000 attendees for paid, what are the features are there. Please scroll it down, you will find a subscribe button. Okay, if you press that subscribe button, then on page will appear. You will find that we accept there is a card options, crypto options are there, and you will find the things. Okay, and you please tick that pay with card. Okay, so once you do that, you will find the things. Okay, and as a founders it will show that total payable is 93 US dollars. So please check that. Okay, and there are 4 card, that is Master card, Visa card, verified Visa, and MasterCard secure, it is there. With these 4 card options you can subscribe. Okay. So my dear friend, please note that $93, whatever the amount for subscription of OConnect as a founder, plus there are charges like processor fee, then your bank fees. Okay, so in $93, if you multiply into the US dollar to INR, now today morning I have checked up that rate is 83.5 rupees approximately. Okay, so it comes to about 7,800. Okay, but there are bank charges and processor fee. So whatever the things you have to pay, it comes approximately, it varies from the bank to bank, processor to processor. Okay, 9,000 to 9,500. Okay, so about 1,200 to 1,700 rupees you have to pay extra. Okay, for the totality. Okay. Also, this things may vary based on your type of card, banks. Okay, so there will be, let us say 9,500 you would take it, plus minus something. Okay, so that much amount you should have in your bank, whether you are paying through, let us say, debit card or credit card. If you are using, that much of credit balance should be available, my dear friend. This is also a checkpoint. Okay, otherwise if it is insufficient fund, then it may not be successful. Also, please take care when you are subscribing. Then the internet is stable internet, you are having a strong signal. Also the browsing, whatever the history is there, clear it, refresh it. Okay, then you start that. Okay, and my dear friend, once let us say whatever is total payable 93, then you press the confirm order, and if you press that, then on page will come, it will show 93 US dollar you have to pay, then continue to pay button you press it. Once you do that, that form it will appear. You have to fill the details of the card, like card number, expiry, card holder name. You put all these things correctly, my dear friend. Also you have to put address, and that is a zip. Zip is nothing but a pin code in India, and phone number. Please provide the phone number or mobile number what you have given to the bank for your card. Okay, and some of the things in mandatory, that is put in asterisks, like card number, expiry number, card holder name, phone number. Okay, and the total payable is 93 US dollar. Okay, once you click that confirm, okay, then OTP will come, or some of the cases OTP may not come, and OTP comes, you put the OTP number, proceed. Okay, and here is most important steps, my dear friend. Once you put that proceed button, after that don't touch the things. Okay, it will be totally automated. First message it will come, successfully amount deducted. Okay, this first message, and you wait for the second message. After some time, the OES page it will come, and it will show payment successful. So wait till you get the payment successful message, my dear friend. So please take care. Please take care of the things. Many people, they are able to do successfully. So ensure the your card, you are having a sufficient balance, and you follow the process correctly, and whatever the bank charges or processor fee, that much extra amount you keep it, plus some more extra you keep it, because this dollar rate fluctuates, and the bank charge processor fee it fluctuates. And for my dear friend, for non-founders, you have to pay 190 US dollar. Okay, previously you are paying 240, now minus 50 is 190 US dollar. So accordingly you keep your fund, and as your amount is more, so the processing fee and bank fees also proportionately it will increase. So you please take care. That's all on this video. Hope it is clear, and wish you all the best. You can do subscription successfully. That's all. Thank you. Thanks a lot for active watching.